morning, everyone. At last, we are back to school on this day after a gap of 2 years that impacted our entire Earth. But then, our planet is a planet that has survived the extreme disasters, both man made and otherwise. Though only time will prove man's role in making or spreading this virus consciously or unknowingly, but one thing is very clear. We all must consider Earth not just as our mother, but also as our first and primary home we were born in. What affects someone in one part of the world impacts another person in a country or a continent thousands of kilometers away. So the ozone layer depletion, the melting glaciers, the ever-expanding deserts, the radioactive waste, the indiscriminate hunting, the man-made and natural disasters, the water and air pollution are not just territorial issues affecting some people somewhere, but are the concerns that would impact you and me sooner than we can imagine. So on this Earth Day, let us pledge to be responsible for our action, use our resources conservatively, ensure sustainability, plant more trees so that we do not really need oxygen cylinders. Let's reuse and recycle whatever we can and not feel ashamed of putting things to repeated use. Let's be less wasteful about water, electricity, about food and fuel, because for every person who has the resource, there are many others who go without them. I'm sure you would realize it is cool to be conservative and to not be wasteful in the usage of resources, which we must respect and be thankful for. Remember, every single thing available to you has a cost to the environment. Remember, there are thousands who are living a life of deprivation and despair. So let's be mindful of our resources, our environment, and make judicious usage a way of life, for we have not inherited the earth from our ancestors, but have borrowed it from our children. Happy Earth Day!
The idea of celebrating Earth Day was suggested by Meg Connell at the UNESCO conference in the year 1969. Later, International Earth Day was declared on 22nd April 1970. On Earth Day, various countries take oaths in protecting the environment and working towards a sustainable future on this day. The main reason why Earth Day is celebrated worldwide is to promote activities and to protect the earth and its resources. Through Earth Day celebrations, many people and countries take different measures to protect the resources of Earth and work towards a sustainable future on this day. Through Earth Day celebrations, many people and countries take different measures to protect the resources of Earth and work towards more sustainable way of life. Each one of us can make a difference, but collectively we can make a greater difference. So here are some ways through which we can protect our planet. The first way by which we can preserve our natural resources is by utilizing less land for cultivation. Second, instead of using non-renewable energies, we should focus on renewable resources like solar energy, wind energy, hydropower. Third, we should plant more trees and maintain a proper balance between human beings and nature. Third, always live by this mantra, which is reduce, reuse and recycle. Choose sustainability in every step of your life. Give composting a try. It will reduce the amount of solid waste and what eventually fills in local landfill. Plus, compost makes a great natural fertilizer. Give up plastics. Stop buying bottled water. Say no to shopping plastic bags and use cloth bags instead. Don't use plastic straws. Drink from reusable cup instead of plastic one. Avoiding of plastic can divert a ton of waste from oceans and landfill. Therefore, by making small changes in our lifestyle, we can make a huge difference. By restoring ecological balance, we can save Earth from getting dreadfully polluted and uninhabited. Come on, let's make a promise to Earth that we won't harm her anymore and we'll make it a healthier one. Thank you. Happy Earth Day to each one of you.
Presently, we make 3 types of spoons: sweet, savory, and plain. All our spoons are durable in hot or cold liquids. They don't dissolve, they don't fall apart, nor do they crack.
Plastic spoon is full of toxins. Our edible spoon is full of nutrition.
Millets are very water conserving crops.
And eventually, at a price as cheap as plastic, I'm sure nobody would want to use plastic. we are absolutely convinced that this is a product that is going to work, and hence we took the risk, and it was worth it. Both of us believe it. If you want to change, don't say, hey, you go ahead and change. We believe that the change should come within us. If we want to change, we should be the change. And we know we can create a plastic-free